Here is the bread section. I usually eat this bread. 6 yuan. It's very nice. You can make a toast with it. But especially all Chinese bread is like, it's tastes little bit sweet. 你好，这个是什么呀？
鳕鱼。
鳕鱼，有一点像烤肠。是烤肠吗？
不是，鳕鱼肠，不用烤的，就这样吃的。鳕鱼肠来的，直接吃的。
谢谢你啊。There is too much Chinese snacks. Look this one, guys. This is 大面筋. It's like a little bit spicy. It's 辣条. It's very delicious actually. I like this one. So let's go. So I want to show you soda water in China, guys. There is several brands here. Like there is a Watson's here. But I usually drink the Chang soda water. This is like which country? Thailand. This is Thailand brand. It's more cheaper, like 2.5 yuan, but it is very nice. This supermarket is too crazy, too much people every time. Today I want to make hot pot, so I will buy some vegetables. So I will buy this one, Jinzhenggu. They say see you later, see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. After you eat, you will see it tomorrow. How much is it? Only 5 yuan. Okay. Let's go another one. Ni hao. Say hello. 还是这个叫什么？生菜。It's called Baitan. It's very delicious in hot pots. So let me take one. How can I get one? And I want to get the noodle. Which noodle I should get? This one is great. Only 8 yuan this one. He said 4 noodles. But this is handmade noodles. Not like... I don't know what is this, but it's very delicious in the hot pot also. It's like 炸豆腐. You can buy fresh seafood. Ooh, too many stuff. So I need meatballs, fresh meatballs. Yeah, these are very delicious. 你好，
有了，你好。
啊，今天又来了。这个叫什么名字？生
丸子嘛。
生牛。
对，生牛筋丸。
生牛筋丸。这个好吃吗？
你不是吃过一次吗？还可以。
你喜欢吗？这个还可以是吧？对。我每一次来这里，每一次没有。
今天有。
你们买的很快这个东西。
对。
This is very delicious, guys. It's like meatballs. That's fresh one. 鸡爪 chicken legs here 鸡爪 it's delicious. So this is the crazy everybody here look this is a durian 榴莲 it's Chinese 榴莲 look guys like half kilogram is 27 yuan. Look at this. And it smells like garlic, but it's very delicious. Look people here. But really, really delicious. 你好。请问那个火锅底料有吗？
这边有。
啊，谢谢你啊。
二樓做咩？
啊，那边。好。
你看要哪一种？
好，我看一下啊，谢谢你啊。So this is the we use for hotspots. There is a different kind style. This is the very spicy. I don't like this one. If you like spicy, it's great. And this one is tomato. And the other one is mushroom. I think I will get the tomato one because I like this one. And for the sauce, there's already prepared for you. The brand is High D Law. So you can get this one also. And after you cook, you put in the sauce, then you will eat. This is delicious. So let's go to pay right now. How much is it? Let's see. I bought many things. Let's see how much is it. So we got noodle, beef, soup, bread, sauce, tofu, vegetables. Hey, good day. 好，谢谢啊。多少钱？72块九。So I'm gonna pay with commission. 73 yuan. 好，谢谢你。So let's see how much it costs. Yeah, all of them is 73 yuan. What do you think, guys? I think it's cheap. I think it's cheap, but very good quality. How much it will cost if you buy in the United States or another country? I accept maybe salary is higher than here, but you spend more. So much for watching my videos. I just want to show you the supermarket, grocery store in China. So see you next video, guys.